Hello, I'm Oliver Abinader. I participate in the NGS Data Analytics, WGS, the whole genome sequencing, and RNA-seq. So this workshop was very helpful. Actually, what we learn about is NGS, the next generation sequencing, the methods. We focus mainly on the whole genome sequencing and RNA-seq and DNA sequencing. Also, we saw the different types of sequencing and the useful terms in NGS, such as coverage, read lengths, etc. We also analyze many file formats, such as the BCF. We saw the BCF file, the FASTQ file, and many other files, the CFF file. Also, we saw the application of NGS. So I can say that this workshop was very useful, and it let me kind of prepare a pipeline in order to analyze DNA and RNA sequence data. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ronita, Senior Research Associate at NICET Kolkata. For my research purpose, I wanted to gain a training in NGS workshop. For this, I have enrolled in BDG LifeSciences NGS workshop program. BDG has helped me in gaining the training. It was an initial learning. I wanted to gain more experience. Thank you, BDG.
Hello, I am Sujata Dana, Research Scholar, Department of Biomedical Science, University of Delhi. Recently, I attended a workshop on metagenomics that was very informative, and trainer explained everything very well. Thank you, Biodiscovery Group, for this wonderful workshop.